Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to buy Cypher token on Binance Alpha. So Cypr or CYPR just get list on Binance Alpha. And if you want to buy it, I will show you how step by step. But before that, you have to understand this is not financial advice. So you have to do your own research. Okay, let's get started. First, you can open your Binance apps. And then go to your search box here in the top. Then you can search CYPR for Cypher, and then you will find it on Alpha here, Alpha tab. You can just click it, and this is the chart. It just get list, so this is the chart. From the chart perspective, it's not really bad. And if you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top. You will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The volume it's good, I think. 35 million in 24 hours, and they have 1 billion token. And you can also check their website and their social media. If you want to see the audit, you can click audit here, and you can read it. And if you want to buy it, you can just click trade here in the bottom, and you can choose limit order. You can put the price here, it up to you, like this, and the amount here. And also you can choose instant buy. You can swap your USDC or other token to Cypr. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.